So when I got my DJI Air 3 Fly More combo, I was quite disappointed that DJI didn't include a USB-C charger to charge the batteries either through the drone or through the charging hub. Really, DJI, please do better. You should at least be able to include a charger on a $1,600 drone. But as things currently stand, you have to buy one separately unless you already have a high-power charging brick. And if you get one of DJI's official chargers, it'll either be $79 for a 65-watt charger, but with that you won't even be able to get the maximum charging speed. It'll take 80 minutes to fully charge with a 65-watt charger instead of 60 minutes. And if you want to get the full charging speed at 60 minutes, you have to get the $99 DJI 100-watt USB-C power adapter. And at least as of right now, you can't actually get that power charger. It's either out of stock or special order everywhere online. Now, when I was picking up this drone, I didn't want to shell out $100 extra just for a charger to be able to charge at the maximum charging speed. So instead, I just got this little $37 100-watt Anker USB-C power delivery charger from Amazon. And it basically works the same. Of course, you're probably not officially supposed to use a third-party charger, but from my experience, it works just fine. It charges one of the Air 3 batteries in around an hour, and getting one of these instead of the DJI version will save you a cool $62. And I'll leave a link to this charger down in the description if you want to pick one of these up. So not something super exciting, but just thought that might be a useful tip for anyone who's looking to pick up an Air 3. So a little update, since I recorded this video, I've tried out the charger with a couple other drones. It works great with the Air 3 and the Mini 3 Pro, but for some reason it doesn't seem to be compatible with the Mavic 3, so just something to keep in mind if you're thinking of using this charger for other drones. Otherwise, the Air 3 is a great drone. I've really enjoyed using. I think it's my favorite drone I've flown to date. And if you want to see another video on the Air 3, you can click or tap the screen here to watch another Air 3 video. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure to like it and subscribe to our channel to see more videos just like it, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or any other videos you'd like to see. And we'll see you in the next video.